In this video, I will be showing you how to build thumbnails using WebEasy Professional 8. A thumbnail is a preview version of a larger image, but when clicked on, opens up the full-size version of that image. Now there are two different ways to build a thumbnail with this software. Let's start with a more time-consuming process. First, we will want to click and drag an image onto the workspace and resize it to suit our needs. In this case, I want to make the thumbnail the same size as the others. I'll discuss this particular resizing process in the next tutorial to speed things up. The next step is to make sure we select only the image we are currently working with. We will go to our picture toolset, click on the link icon, and this brings up all the link options for our picture. For this video, we will be linking to a file. Once you select File out of the drop-down menu, we can type in the location to the full-size image, or we can browse the computer by clicking on the Document Files icon. Personally, I find the browsing method to be much quicker. When we find the picture, select it and click Open. We will also see one more option at the bottom of this dialog box labeled Open in New Window with blank target in parentheses. What this option does is allows us to have the full-size picture pop up in a separate window, keeping the customer/viewer on the main page while still being able to see all of our large images. The reason why WebEasy mentions blank target is because some browsers react differently to this feature. Internet Explorer will open the large image in a new window while both Mozilla Firefox and Google Chrome will open the image in a new tab. It's the same concept with a slight variation. I almost always use this feature, so I will leave it checked and click OK. We are now finished with the first thumbnail. Even though this method didn't take much effort, it could become very tedious when creating several thumbnails in a row. The much shorter method is to hold down the Control key, select an image, drag the image over to our workspace, and release the left mouse button while still holding down the Control key. Then WebEasy takes care of the rest. We can also add several thumbnails at the same time by holding Control and selecting several images, then click and drag them into the workspace while still holding the Control key. Let's preview the page in Firefox to verify that it is working by clicking one of the thumbnails we just created. And this concludes our thumbnail tutorial. Thanks for watching.